Hello guys, kumusta kayo? May gagawin nga pala kami sa MGPS. Na-share ko na itong video previously. Flex ko lang sa inyo paano namin na-rectify yung low insulation. Ang dami na namin ginawa, napakasimple lang pala guys yung problema. Gumawa muna kami ng defect report para send sa office for assistance. Yung physically good, walang sign ng damage from electrical connection going through electrolysis tank. Based on our observation, physically appearance, maayos naman. Tanggalin ulit namin yung sink anode, switch off muna yung power supply and remove electrical connection. Investigate ulit yung source ng malfunction, walang makita hanggang sa pinalitan na lang namin yung sink anode. As per advice ng office, linisin namin mabuti yung fittings and connection, then apply silicone. After checking resistance ng anode across the flange, yung reading infinity, it means walang ground. Binalik namin one by one yung fittings, electrical connection, pagkatapos start yung system. Observe the result, same as usual pa rin. Check namin yung flow meter, sensors. Finally, nakita namin yung problema. Water is stuck inside the meter box. That cause ground. Dito lang pala guys yung problema. Napakasimple lang. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat.